There are many good video editing applications for Android that are free out there that you can find. But again, in those good video editing softwares or applications that are there, there is the best. And in this video, we have come up with the best video editing application that you can get for free and for Android device. And in this video, I would like to go through it a little quick and see what you should expect from the application and what you shouldn't expect. But the application is so far the top-notch video editing application for Android that we have found so far. Its name is called UCut video editing software or video editing application, UCut video editor. You can find it for free on the Play Store and download it. It's entirely for free. Now once you open it, this is how it looks like at the first interface that you open it. When you open it, this is how it looks like. Now if you want to start editing videos, you have to click on this little plus button that is seen down here. Let's go ahead and click on it. Now if you have just opened it for the first time, you will not see these two white drafts that you're seeing down below here, but the first one you see is the new project. So we should go ahead. Now this one is showing these two video drafts because I've opened it before. I've been editing videos with it, so that's why it is showing these drafts in here. So let's go ahead and click on this new project and I'll take you through this application. So it gives you the option. First, choose the video clips that you want to edit. I'm going to just choose one video clip and try with that, and I think I should choose from, let me see here, let me choose this one, and all I just have to do, I can it gives me the option to trim the edges, to trim the ends of the video, but I'm not going to do this. Let me just go with the whole video and I import it. Just have to click on that arrow there and I'm good to go. So this is how it looks like when you open the video. It gives you the option to trim the video here. It gives you the option to add music. It gives you the option to filter. But let's first start with trimming. And by the way, this plus button you're seeing here, you click it when you want to add a video clip. Like when I click it there, I can add another video clip to the video editor. Like let me take this one, I'm adding it there. Just have to click that little arrow that you're seeing there and it puts the video here. You can select. Now as per now, I am having two video clips in the editor. First, the one that I started with, and next this as you're seeing there. But I just have to click on it a little, like 2 seconds, and then I drag. When I want to reorganize the clips, I drag and put the first one as the last and put the last as the first. And doesn't matter whether I have a 10 clips or 100 clips or any, you can just drag them and put them wherever you want them, each of them to be. Now let's first do this. Yes, I would like us to first start with the trim feature. Here you just have to click on that trim and then you're able to remove the ends of the video. You can move the beginning, you can remove the end of the video, but again you can decide to cut when you click on this cut button here and remove part of the video in between. You just have to click on that cut button there, or you can cut on separate. You just have to cut there and separate the video into two parts, but not losing any portion of the video in between. And once you're done, you can just click on this little tick here that you're seeing here. But now that's not what you're going to do, because this is just a tutorial and just showing you how things are done in this application. The next is music. You can add your music by clicking there, and there is a ton of music. There is a ton of music that comes with this software, and all this is free music which you can use in your videos. But again, it is not limited to only this music that it comes with, and you can decide to add your own music. When you go to my music, you can add effects, you can go to the recent and choose from them. Once you have used the recent audio tracks, you can add them from there. Your own music, you can add them from there. And then effects here, you can add all these effects at your video that you're editing. And we go back to the filters. You can add the filters. You can let's check out this bright and click that one. So you can see that our video here has been added to the effect, the filter rather. So you can add the effects again. If you click here, there are different effects that you can add to your video. And also you can choose to add text. This is where you click when you want to add text. You just have to click that, and the text is right there. And what you can do with this text is that it is easy to change the text color. Once you click this little color wheel that you're seeing there, and you can change to any color that you want, all from this line of colors that you're seeing here. You can change the background by clicking on this label here and change how the background looks like. You can change the borders of the text by clicking on borders, and you can change the width of the border that you want by dragging this width here. And then the other thing that you can do with the text is to animate it. Like when you want your text to move, you just click here, the animate button here, and choose how your text should animate. Like you can animate in, you can animate out, and you can loop. But let's start with in here. Once you click this in, you can choose from any of these. But let me choose from slide L. So it means that our text is sliding from the left side to the right. And you can choose the timing, whether you want it to be fast, whether you want it to be slow. And also you can choose to animate out. You just have to click here on this out button here and choose how you want your text to animate out. Now let's animate it to slide to the left when it is going out, and you're able to choose the time it will take while sliding out. Now once we click here on this little tick that you're seeing here, we are able to see our text. Let me go real quick here and you see how it is animated. So you see that you can change the font here and choose from a bunch of fonts that come with this application, or you can download your free fonts as you're seeing here, the download free fonts plus the plus button that you're seeing there. So that being done, let's go to stickers, and you can add stickers, you can add emoji here, you can add the GIF, you can add literally anything, but the emoji here you can add them when you have the internet connection. So as you're seeing right now, it is searching just because I don't have the internet connection. If I had the internet connection, it would have shown me the results already for the emojis, and I add them to my video project that I'm editing here. This is the application that is so detailed that you can use for free and export your video without any watermark. So you can change the speed of the video, like here. You just have to click on that speed, on this speed button here, and change whether you want your video to be fast, 100x, 32x, 8x, or whether you want it to be slow in 0.2x. And actually we're not going to change the speed of the video. That's not what we want. So the background, you can change the video background and just have to pinch the video and zoom in and out and be able to change how you want your background to be looking like in the application, the ratio, the color. You can change the background. Literally, you can do anything with this application. And you can also go to record, this record button here, where you are able to record your voiceovers when you are editing the video. You don't have to use another application to record your audio when you're also editing the video. You can edit as you're recording your voice over, which is very cool when you're using this application. And here you can be able to choose the volume of your audio in the video that you're editing. You can increase it, you can decrease it, you can leave it where you want it to be, and you can rotate the video, you can flip, you can crop, you can do literally anything that you want with this application. And once you are done editing the video, you just have to click the save button here, save, and be able to save it. And here on save, it gives you the option to choose the resolution of the output file that you want. You can choose 4K, you can choose 1080p, you can choose 720p, you can choose 640, you can choose 480p. And the frame rate, it gives you the option to choose 24 frames per second, 25, 30, 50, 60 frames per second. But what you should know is that a high frame rate like 60 frames per second will give you a very good video quality, and a lower frame rate will give you a poor video quality, just as the resolution of the video. A high resolution will give you a high video quality, and a low resolution will give you a low video quality. So that's it. You just have to click save and you export your video. Now my internal storage is running out. It needs about a full GB of space, so I can't export it, but you just have to export it, and it gives you the option. It is entirely free. You can export your video with all of these editing that you have added in without a watermark. So it's a free software that you can use and download right now on the Play Store entirely for free. So thanks for watching. Let's meet in the next video.